In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record personal expenses in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever had a personal charge come through your connected bank account, it's important to label it clearly so your books stay clean and your reports reflect only business activity. I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable workflow so you can record these items quickly and confidently. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left side menu. Click Transactions. This is your central hub for anything coming in from your bank feeds. Within Transactions, go to Bank Transactions. Here, you'll see the list of downloaded transactions from your connected accounts. Make sure you're viewing the correct bank or card account at the top if you have more than one, and consider sorting or filtering by date or amount to locate the item faster. Find the personal expense you want to record and select it. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to double-check the amount, date, and description so you're confident this is a personal charge and not a business one. A little care here helps prevent misclassifications that can throw off your financials. Click on the transaction to open its details, then select the payee. Assigning a payee makes your records more useful later, especially if you ever need to search or analyze spending patterns. If the payee isn't in your list yet, you can add it on the fly and keep the naming consistent so your vendor list stays organized. Next, select the category. This is where you tell QuickBooks how to classify the transaction. If you don't already have a category for personal expenses, create a new one now so these charges are easy to identify going forward. A clear, straightforward name like personal expenses will help you and anyone reviewing your books immediately understand what it is. When creating the category, make sure you're creating it as an expense type account so it behaves correctly in your reports. Once the payee and category are set, click Add. QuickBooks will move the transaction out of the For Review section and record it based on your selections. That's your confirmation that the personal expense is now properly captured. If you review your bank feed again, you'll see that it's no longer pending. And that's it. You've recorded a personal expense by going to Transactions, then Bank Transactions, selecting the item, assigning a payee, choosing or creating the right category, and clicking Add. Repeat this process for any other personal charges, and you'll keep your books accurate and your business reports crystal clear.